What's up, guys? Another video. The 3-inch exhaust installed today. It's actually 3-inch downpipes and 3-inch exhaust all the way back to here, where you can see it tapers to 2.5 to go to my existing 2.5-inch custom exhaust that I have made. This is an X pipe section. As you can see, sounds a lot better, by the way, than an H pipe. I've had both. Trust me, that is the way to go. It sounds way better. Eventually, I'm gonna do 3-inch all the way back too. I just, man, it's a heartbreaker. I think I spent like 800 bucks on that exhaust when I did it. It's been a long time though. You know, maybe I can find a buyer too. I mean, they're popular. But these guys, wow. I am ready to hear those sing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost, guys. I got all the wiring done down here today too. With the alternator, power steering pump, and a bunch more wiring, but also waiting on 3 quarts of Redline oil for the transmission. And I will be using, I believe it's called Molly Lube, some German oil for the motor. But these are sweet, man. All Allen bolts. Nice and pro look. I'm really close, guys. Pretty soon. Alright, have another one up soon.